weighted base feels powerful in your hand, for extra sophistication in any occasion. Stunning clarity perfectly reflects your tastiest beverage, and your excellent taste. Includes 8, 15.5-ounce cooler/tumbler glasses, 2.8-inch diameter x 5.8-inch height. Durable glassware is designed to last through clinks, splashes and spills. Securely packaged in shipping box, always wash prior to use as orders fulfilled by Libbey are shipped directly from manufacturer's warehouse. Lead-free glassware is dishwasher safe. To help preserve your products, please refer to the Libbey website for care and handling instructions. Command casual breakfast or capture that important guest's attention with these subtly simple, yet heavily weighted drinking glasses. The sophisticated hold will feel comfortable every day and make you feel elegant in every way. So you can steal that kiss, snag that raise or simply sip every worry away. If you've ever sipped from a glass, odds are you've already met Libbey. We rank as the top glassware manufacturer in the Americas and one of the largest tableware suppliers in the world. As the runaway leader, we are setting new standards for stability, strength, and growth opportunity. We believe every occasion, big and small, is an opportunity to celebrate life. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly as described in What I Wanted. So they came very well packaged, and with no breaks or cracks. Went through dishwasher fine, and still do. Love the weighted base. Not too heavy but enough it's more difficult to knock over. Always A+. So the big green flag? My cats did what they do best, and tapped one right off the counter. And I've also dropped one accidentally. Both falls onto linoleum/vinyl flooring from about 3 feet to 4 feet in height. Not even a scratch. What more could I ask for in a glass? 5 stars. Would buy again.